That's it, reel down onto it. There we go. Woohoo! Okay, reel up, down, up, down. Hey? No, you got to reel down onto the line. Just stick the gaff into his mouth. Okay, we are on here. He's got a lekker fish here. We just went on double up, so I'm just going to quickly get this one up. Hey? Yeah. Don't hold him by the tail, you got to hold him by the mouth, boy. Just give me a sec, I'll come up here now. I'm coming now, boy. Just give me 1 second. We just land this guy. I'm there now, just wait. Half cup. I got it, Henry, bro. I got him. Jack's got double trouble today. He's got Henry here as well. Henry. And Jack's got his first half carb on the jig, and that's a good half carb.
That's a very good half carb, Jack. Well done.
That is a great half carb.
So we'll pull me a bit closer with your line.
You can hold the rod if you want. Yeah. Yeah. Open your hatch, boy.
Okay, lift your rod up. Put him in. Pull me closer again.
No.
Pull me closer. Pull me closer. Yeah. Oh my way. Wait, let's do this again. You've hooked him properly. There we go, third time lucky.
Third time lucky, that's a good one. Well done, bro.
Well done, buddy. Nice. Sure he's in properly before we take the hook out. Thank you, Jack.
There you go, Jack. Told you, bro. The white drop shot for the win, eh?
Yeah.
Geez, you hooked him properly.
Yeah, no, he's... Was it going to come out in a hurry?
Nice work.
Thank you.
You.
Now you can feed your tribe. Well done, Jack. Hey, there we are.
Let me put a new one on your.
No, that's perfect. Just like that, boy.
Now it's good.